Today's video is on the top 3 best outlet extenders. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget. Lvetek Outlet Surge Protector Wall Charger. Need more outlets? Check this out. If you're tired of juggling too many devices and not enough plugs, this multi-plug outlet extender is your answer. It transforms 2 outlets into 5, plus it throws in 4 handy USB ports for charging. No more fighting over who gets to plug in their phone. And let's not forget about the surge protection. It's rated at an impressive 1,680 joules. This means it keeps your electronics safe from those pesky power spikes and improves overall power quality. With a sleek wall plug design, there's no need for messy cables or sacrificing precious desktop space. This product is the perfect solution for tight spots like dorm rooms or nightstands where you want to keep things neat and organized. Worried about charging your devices? The Smart USB wall charger is a game changer. It boasts a shared rating of 5 volts at 4.2 amps, meaning your devices will charge quickly and efficiently. The USB-A port can deliver up to 2.4 amps, while the USB-C port cranks it up even more, maxing out at 3 amps. This charger isn't just fast, it's smart. It automatically detects the type of device you're charging, ensuring that it delivers the right speed for everything from your cell phone to your camera and even your laptop. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, you can rest easy, knowing all your USB devices will be powered up in no time. Installation is a breeze. No complicated setup is required here. Simply plug the surge protector into any standard grounded duplex wall receptacle. Want to keep it secure? It's easy. Just grab a screwdriver, use the included screw, and you can mount it firmly to the outlet. Say goodbye to worries about it falling off or being accidentally unplugged. This outlet extender is designed to stay put no matter what. Your safety is a top priority. With a built-in 1,680 joules surge protector, this outlet extender features 3 complementary surge protection circuits, a transient voltage suppressor, a metal oxide varistor, and a gas discharge tube. Plus, it has a fire-resistant casing that withstands up to 1,382 degrees Fahrenheit. An indicator light lets you know your devices are safe and sound, and here's the cherry on top. This product is ETL certified, and their friendly customer service team is ready to help you within 24 hours. You can shop with confidence, knowing they offer a 30-day return policy and a 12-month replacement guarantee. Hit that subscribe button like you're trying to plug in a charger that just won't fit. Number 2. Best overall. Surge Protector Outlet Extender. Looking for a powerful and versatile solution to keep your devices charged and safe? Check out the 9-in-1 USB wall outlet extender. This handy gadget features 6 AC outlets, with 3 on each side, providing a total of 15 amps at 125 volts and up to 1,875 watts. Plus, it comes with built-in surge protection that can handle up to 1,800 joules, ensuring your devices stay secure. To top it off, there are 3 USB charging ports, one of which is a USB-C, offering a total output of DC 5 volts and 3.1 amps. One of the standout features of this outlet extender is its wide space and rotating AC plug design. The unique 3-side layout not only saves space, but also provides enough room between the 6 AC outlets to fit larger plugs without blocking each other. The swivel power strip can rotate left and right by 90 degrees, making it super convenient for any socket orientation, whether horizontal or vertical. With its compact size of 5.7 by 1.9 by 1.7 inches, it's easy to take with you anywhere. When it comes to charging, the USB-C smart charging ports are a game changer. Thanks to built-in smart IC technology, these high-speed USB ports automatically detect the devices you're charging and adjust to deliver the fastest charging speeds possible. You'll get up to 2.4 amps at 5 volts per USB-A port and a max of 3 amps at 5 volts for the USB-C port. One port is all you need. But that's not all. The 1800 joule outlet surge protector is here to defend against electrical spikes. It features 3 complementary surge protection circuits, including transient voltage suppressor, metal oxide varistor, and gas discharge tube. This system responds in less than 1 nanosecond and has a minimum energy absorbing capacity of 1800 joules, making it much quicker and more reliable than traditional MOV surge protectors. Safety is also a top priority with this outlet extender. It's certified by ETL, ensuring that your devices are protected from overcurrent, overcharge, short circuits, and overheating. Its fire-resistant ABS shell, capable of withstanding temperatures up to 1,382 degrees Fahrenheit, along with high-quality components, enhances both durability and safety. So whether you're at home or on the go, this USB wall outlet extender has got you covered. In a world where we rely heavily on our electronic devices, having a reliable power solution is essential. The 9-in-1 USB wall outlet extender not only simplifies your charging needs, but also provides superior protection for all your gadgets. Number 1. Our pick. Qinlianf Outlet Extender. Looking for a simple way to keep your devices charged and organized? Check out this multifunction USB outlet. It's designed to fit perfectly onto your duplex outlet. Just plug it in and you're good to go. What makes this outlet stand out is its impressive design. It features 5 AC outlets spread across 3 sides, giving you ample space to plug in all your gadgets without crowding. You won't have to worry about oversized chargers blocking other sockets. On top of that, it comes with 4 USB charger ports that let you power up multiple devices at once. Imagine having your smartphone, tablet, and other gadgets charging all at the same time without the mess of extra cords cluttering your space. One of the best features of this outlet is the middle screw that allows you to secure it directly to the wall. This means that when you unplug a device, the outlet stays in place. No more awkward tugging or unplugging other devices in the process. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your power flowing smoothly. Just keep in mind that this outlet is specifically designed to work with duplex outlets, so it won't fit GFCI outlets. One of the standout features of this outlet is its groove design on the back, which helps it sit flush against the wall. The 5 AC outlets have a generous spacing of 2.1 inches, which is larger than the standard 1.5 inches. This means you can easily use all kinds of equipment without worrying about plugs getting in each other's way. Just remember, this product works best on wall outlets that have more than 1 inch of space in between, but not more than 2 sets of parallel sockets. Charging your devices is a breeze with the Smart Charge capability. The outlet has 4 USB ports that deliver a total of 4.8 amps. Each USB-A port provides a maximum output of 5 volts and 2.4 amps. While the USB-C port can deliver up to 5 volts and 3 amps. Thanks to the built-in smart technology, it detects the devices connected to it and automatically delivers the best charging speed. It's compatible with Kindle and most other USB devices, but just a note, the USB-C port isn't a quick charger 3.0, so it won't work with devices that need a charging voltage of 9 to 22 volts. Safety is a top priority, which is why this outlet comes with a reliable surge protector circuit. It features a 3-level surge protection system, including TVS, MUV, and GDT. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience. You won't regret adding this essential gadget to your home or office. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.